Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into this video. As you can see from the thumbnail, we are creating one of my signature units on my website. She's called the Michelle unit. So I'm just showing you now the importance of using a hot comb. If you don't use a hot comb, you will not be able to achieve that very flat install that we all so much love. So just keep watching and I'll come back every so often just to kind of explain some stuff to you guys. Baby, do you see that? Do you see how flat that is?
Stomach on flat, and your ass on what's that?
Okay, so off camera, I went and plucked the left side. Doesn't it just look so bomb and so natural? So now we're going to move on to the right side. I'm going to do that with you guys on camera. Now it is sped up a little bit, but you want to just keep plucking until you get that natural look. I know some people, think that they're over plucking. The only time you would over pluck is when you start to see bald spots. It does not matter, how much hair you're pulling out. It just matters, what you're doing to the actual hairline. So as you can see, little by little, it's lightening up. Once you do that, you want to go back a few layers. For some reason, I didn't get a clip of me going back any more layers, but I do. I go back about 3 layers, and then I go up in the front, and then I touch up the front to remove that boxy looking hairline. So I'm just finishing up plucking, and then I took out that piece. That's going to be our baby hair. So we're going to start to create our baby hair. You want to take out the very first layer. I mean, how much you take out is really up to you and your preference and your customer's preference and their liking. If you like thick baby hair, then you can go ahead and take out some more. But I like thin baby hair, so that's why I took out some very thin pieces. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut it with the razor, and then also how to cut the baby hair with the scissors. So it's really, really simple. You just want to chop in like an angle. You want to make the beginning. So you want to make like the how do I explain it? So if you're on the left side, you want to make the side closest to the part a little shorter than the rest of the hair. So that way when it swoops, it goes from shortest to longest. And you want to grab you an edge brush and your mousse of choice. Lately, I've been using Afro G and it's been working just fine. You want to make sure you apply some of that mousse to the actual hairline, and then you'll go ahead and create the baby hair. You need to swoop the baby hair into the actual hairline. And don't rush the process when you guys are creating your baby hair. Baby hair are very, very tedious, and they're very, very hit or miss. Doesn't matter, how much you do baby hair. they have a mind of their own. So I make wigs for a living every single day and create baby hair. And sometimes, you know, they're just easier than other times. So as you guys see here, the right side did take me a little while to get the shape that I was looking for. But if that happens, you just want to go ahead and apply some more mousse, because when you have the mousse or the foam, it loosens up the hair and it helps for it to form. So you'll be able to form it in the exact way that you're looking for. Jesus, I've been doing these baby hair for like 5 minutes, literally. And yes, sometimes they are stressful, but the final look will definitely be worth it. Okay, so I finally got her how I wanted to. I'm going to wrap her up and set her under the dryer. And this is what the baby hair are looking like after she's been dried under the dryer. You then want to go ahead and comb them out so that way they're not so stiff. And I'm going to apply just a tiny bit more mousse just so I can get the perfect shape that I'm looking for. Okay, so this is my body wave texture, air dried. It's so pretty, it's so full, and it just looks amazing. So whenever I style, no matter if I'm crimping, straightening, curling, no matter what I do, I always split my hair into 3 sections, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And then once we have the 2 sides pinned up, I'm gonna go ahead and work with the back only. Now, when I straighten or curl or crimp or style in general, I take 2 rows at a time. So if your wig is made on the sewing machine, you know, you sew the tracks down one by one. I take 2 rows of tracks and combine it into one, and that's when I go ahead and start to style. So make sure you have some type of heat protectant. I use Beyond the Zone. And you can purchase that at Sally's. Now for this particular look, my curls do go in different directions, and that's just, you know, how I created the unit. So just pay attention. I'm not going to talk too much, but just pay attention. You'll see some curls I'm going under, some curls I'm going over. And I forgot to mention, once I'm done curling, I do use hairspray. You can use hairspray of your choice, but I like to use the Paul Mitchell. It has a very light hold. So now that we're at the top and we're doing the bang, I like to curl the bang under because it already creates the shape. Once the curl is dropped, it will create that bang effect, as you guys will see here. You see, it's already falling, it's already framing the face. So if you was to purchase a unit from me, the unit will come 100% customized. As you guys will see, the knots are bleached, the baby hair are done. I'm showing you the inside of the unit. It is machine constructed. So this is the final look. I'm actually not going to comb it out on camera with you guys because it has to go through shipping and get to my customer, but you guys will see the pictures and the thumbnail of the final look, and I'll also insert some in the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day.